Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a TXT file here and it's got a little bit of information in it and it's got some digits. So I'm just going to pull this up and this is my program, and what we're going to do is we're going to delete those digits out of that file, and then we're going to create a new file without the digits in, with all the information copied, and then we're going to delete the original file. So first of all, we start off, we create a path to my desktop, so that's my scalar path, C users mark desktop. Now this is my desktop path, your desktop path will be different to this, so you'll have to find out what your own desktop path is. And then we change directory into this path. Then we create a subroutine called delete digits. We print out a message here to the user and we tell the user to enter the input file. So the input file here is going to be test.txt. Okay, then we use the chomp and we create a scalar variable called my input file and we assign it to standard input. Standard input will take the input that the user types into the little space here. Then we print another message to the user and we tell the user to enter the output file. So you can name the output file anything you want. So I'm just gonna, you could name it something like new text.txt. It's completely up to you. So again, we create the scalar variable and this time we call the variable output file. We assign it to standard input to get the user input. Now we're going to do a little bit of file handling here. So what we do is we open up the input file for reading. Okay, so we add a little error handler here called or die, error reading. So if we can't read the file for some particular reason, this will throw an error message. And then we're going to create another file, so we call it output, scalar output, and the output file name or die, error writing to the file. Then what we do is we loop through the input file here, we read it line by line, and if the line matches, and we use the regex here, digits, and this will delete any digits that it matches, and then we print it into the output file, and then we close the input file and we close the output file. Now once we've done that, we've made the new copy without any digits in it. We're going to delete the original file. So created here delete original, and we've stored the input file in here, and then we create a new subroutine called delete original and enter in the input file and we store it in an array. Then we print off a message to the user deleting original file, and then we use unlink to delete the file, which will be the input file. Then we print the message that the input file here has been deleted. Okay, let's run it, shall we? Okay, let's have a look here. Hopefully it'll all go right as long as I haven't made any typos. So the input file was called test.txt and we hit enter. Enter output file. I'm going to call this test new txt. Hit enter, and there you go, deleting original file test.txt deleted. So let's go down to here, and the test.txt file was here. It's been deleted and we've replaced it with the new file with no digits in it. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I'll just make that a little bit smaller so you can take a photo shot of it if you want. So there you go, everybody. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.